Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Goan Green Beef Curry, a vibrant, flavor-packed dish that brings together fresh coriander, green chillies, warm spices, and tender beef, slow-cooked to perfection. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Green Beef Curry. This classic Goan curry is known for its bright green color, smooth texture, and the balance of tangy, spicy, and earthy flavors. The fresh coriander, whole spices, and slow-cooked beef give it a deep, authentic taste that pairs beautifully with steamed rice, pulao, pao, bread, or even chapatis. In this detailed step-by-step recipe, you'll learn how to cut the beef to make it tender and succulent, how to slow cook the meat in a pot, and how to get that perfect thick green curry using everyday, easy to source ingredients. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan green beef curry. Step 1. Preparing the meat. We have taken half kg or 500 grams of boneless beef. Make sure to cut the beef against the grain. You'll notice thin lines running through the meat. These are the muscle fibers. Slice across these lines and not along them. This simple step makes the beef soft and tender after cooking. Now cut the meat into medium-sized pieces like I have shown. Put the cut pieces of meat into a bowl and begin the marination. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 tablespoon of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, apple cider or palm vinegar can be used. Mix everything nicely. Keep it aside and let it marinate for at least an hour. You can keep it in the refrigerator if you want to keep it overnight. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients for grinding. Take half-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add quarter cup or 60 ml of warm water and keep it aside. Take 1 tightly packed cup of coriander or cilantro leaves. A few coriander stalks cut into small pieces. It adds extra flavor. 4 medium-sized green chillies cut into small pieces. Half-inch piece of ginger cut into small pieces. 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic cut into small pieces. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 16 black peppercorns. 5 cloves. Half-inch stick of cinnamon, 2 green cardamoms. Ingredients for cooking. 2 medium-sized onions, cut them fine. 1 medium-sized tomato, cut it fine. 2 medium-sized potatoes, cut into medium-sized cubes like I have shown. Keep them in water to avoid discoloration. Half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the green curry paste. In a mixer grinder, add the tamarind along with the water in which it was soaked. Add the coriander stalks, green chilies, garlic, ginger, and cumin seeds. Next, add the broken cinnamon pieces, cloves, cardamoms without the outer shell, black peppercorns, and the coriander leaves. Grind everything to a smooth paste. Our green curry paste is ready. Transfer the paste to a bowl. Rinse the mixer with 2 tablespoons of water and keep this aside to use later. Step 4. Preparing the Goan green beef curry. We are using a ceramic cast iron pot for this recipe. These pots are perfect for slow cooking. If you want to buy this ceramic cast iron pot, The Amazon link is provided in the description box, or let us know in the comments and we will send you the link. In this heavy bottom pot placed on medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions. Stir it nicely. Once the onions turn golden brown, add the chopped tomato. After 3 to 4 minutes, once the tomatoes have softened nicely, add the marinated meat pieces and stir it nicely. Cover and cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes without adding any water. Check in between to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Cooking without water helps the meat release its natural juices, allowing the flavors to be absorbed into the meat better. It also starts softening the meat naturally before we add water for slow cooking. After 10 to 15 minutes, add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Cover and cook for at least 30 minutes. Open and stir after 15 minutes. Check to see if there is liquid and nothing is getting stuck to the bottom or sides of the pot. Add a little water if required. Cover again and cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the meat should be 70 to 80% cooked. It will take more or less time depending on the cut of meat you choose. Once the meat is 70 to 80% done, add the potato cubes and stir. Add half cup or 125 ml of water. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes. After around 10 minutes, stir everything nicely. Now add the green curry paste. Also add the rinsed water. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix everything nicely. After 2 to 3 minutes, add the salt and sugar.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Now add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Taste the curry and adjust the seasoning if needed. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check if the meat is fully cooked and the potato cubes are done. Once the meat is soft, flavorful and perfectly cooked, turn off the heat. Delicious Goan Beef Curry is ready. Enjoy it hot with steamed rice, pulao, bread, pao or even chapatis. Do write a comment to give us your feedback on this recipe. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.